Honorable Education Minister of Delhi, Mrs. Kiran Walia ji, our Health Secretary Shri S.C.L. Das ji, Dr. S.K. Sareen, Director ILBS, Dr. Dewan, Director Family Welfare, Shri Ashok Chauhan ji, Surendra Sharma ji, dear guests, ladies and gentlemen, and dear children. I remember our government came in power in 98, and it was somewhere in November or December. And 4th of December, this Hepatitis Day was started by Dr. Sareen. And it has been 15 years that we have been working on hepatitis and creating awareness about it. We all know in 1/3 of the world's population is infected with hepatitis. That is about 2 billion cases in the world out of the total population of 6 billion. They are affected by hepatitis. So this is such a disease. And many people, they do not know that they continue to have the infection. That is called chronic hepatitis, and ultimately results into cirrhosis of liver and liver cancer. Dr. Sareen, who has taken up this Herculean job to create the awareness, because prevention is better than the cure. If we all know what are the causes of hepatitis, we can take care of that. We know hepatitis A and E, it is caused by contaminated water, contaminated food, and this we can jolly well take care of if we have safe drinking water. And as this CD has been given by Shri Ashok Chauhan ji, I think it will be great use for all the students. Hepatitis A and B, we have vaccines for that. But for C and E, there are no vaccines. We started with the vaccination program for hepatitis B in 2001. And up till now, 30 lakh children have been vaccinated for hepatitis B. Delhi was the first state to start this program, and 30 lakh children have been protected against hepatitis B. But for hepatitis C, we do not have any vaccine. And I feel that since it is being transferred by IV drug users and blood transfusion, we have to be very careful in our blood banks also. And we are going to start net testing in our blood banks. All this facility will be very shortly provided, so that we are able to check the spread of this disease. As our Surendra Sharma ji, who is the famous Kavi, we are thankful to him that he created a very healthy and nice atmosphere here. I'd like to say one thing. Whenever myself and Dr. Kiran Walia, we are on the stage, most of the times we have to explain about our relations. That Dr. Kiran Walia, she is a education minister and I am a health minister. Because most of them, they think that from one family, 2 persons are there in the same ministry. So that's why in her speech she said that my elder brother Dr. Walia is here. And I have to also say that our sister Kiran Walia is also here, so that people, this confusion is not there. So dear friends, ultimately after starting the vaccination program against hepatitis B, we made this hospital. Our government started with ILBS. And I really feel very happy to say this hospital is doing so well, and is the ultimate destination for any patient who is suffering from liver disease. Many people from all over India and all over the world, they come for the treatment. And Dr. Sareen is doing such a great job. He really, from my core of heart, I congratulate him and thank him for running this hospital so beautifully. Here we are doing liver transplant also. We have started with kidney transplant also. And from the side of Delhi government for the poor patients, I'd like to just mention that we provide financial aid up till 5 lakh rupees. Any patient who is from Delhi and he requires liver transplant, this aid is provided by the Delhi government. But ultimately, if we pass on this message to everybody, that even this small, this viral hepatitis, which we called as hepatitis A, that could continue for a very long time and ultimately cause great liver damage and liver cancer also. I think people will be more careful and they will take all precautionary measures to check the spread of at least hepatitis A and E. Of course, the B and C, hepatitis B and C, the government has to take certain measures. And if we have hepatitis C vaccine, we'll definitely like to introduce that also. So with these words, I thank Dr. S.K. Sareen and the Department of Family Welfare for organizing this program. Thank you very much.